G'day everyone, David from Explore Oz. Explore Oz Traveller App tip today will be creating a place using the pin. So what is the pin? This is the pin up here, and to create a new place on the map we're going to use that. So firstly, we're going to create a place not at our current location. If we press that now, it'll create a place at our current location. But as an example today, what I want to do is I want to create a place, and I've just turned the GPS lock off. I want to create a place just over here at the intersection where we turned in, which was for us today was this one. Again, just for an example. So we've got our crosshairs. We can zoom in as close as we want. We get our crosshairs as close as we can to where we want our place to go, and we hit place at crosshairs. What we've done, it says place at crosshairs. So what you'll see has come up is it's given us nearby places, because you might not need to create a new place here if you can use an existing one. Again, as I said, this is only an example. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a name. So turn here for camp. You could describe it. You could give it whatever attributes that you need to assign it. If we were going to do this, and we're not going to leave it on the system, we would use track junction. I'm just scanning through them all looking for track junction. There it is. There's a few sub features we could apply. We could make it a tourist attractions junction. It's not in this case. That might be for like if there's a Len Bedell marker at the track junction or something, you may create it that. Down here, you can put in more information: address, phone, web, email, alternate references. You also can see the lat long positions, and in fact you can change them here. And you can also switch it from personal to Explore Oz. You'll notice that when you change it to Explore Oz, it will tells you a message: this place is a public place, and will be history tracked and uploaded to the server and visible to all users. We're just creating a temporary place. Make it personal, hit save. It creates the place, creates the thing called turn here for camp. It's now on the map. It's a personal place, it's in green, whereas the public places are in blue. We've created a new place using the pin.